Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, but now that the week is over, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just go ahead and get rid of that line for now. It still pertains to the chart, yes, but it's just not relevant. And from the presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's annotations and lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from the annotation point of view. The big update, though, that does need to be made comes about via this $84 level. And that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when areas of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $84 was a key level going into today from the support side of things. But after the price, was violated earlier on in the day, you can see that's essentially what opened up the floodgates, and down the price went from there. So if there is any sort of attempted, bottoming out and then attempted return back upwards, $84 now going to be that near-term key level of resistance to watch. If the price can't actually break above there, then that's when you would want to immediately turn your attention to the purple line there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 50-period moving average, and that's currently valued at 85.18. But friendly reminder, that is a moving average, meaning that line is going to move downwards as next week plays out, so therefore that value is also going to change. But as of right now, top priority is just simply stabilizing out, and then you can start to focus more so on that 50-period moving average. But now the big question going forward is the price headed back to retest these lows, especially at that level down there of right around the $81 mark? And it's a very valid question. No such thing as a guarantee, but even if you look at the trend that had been established, so not only was that $84 mark broken, but now this trend line that had been put into place and built over the past several days was also violated late day today. So again, does that mean it's a guarantee to go down to 81 and test it? No such thing as a guarantee, but it also would not be very shocking at all to see the price at least go down to $81, if not even lower down to the $80 mark sometime next week. But again, as always, and this is why risk management, risk control is so important, because there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But it's at least a rational and valid thought to now think that the price could be getting ready to drift down to the $81, $80 mark. But we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, a bearish day, not the best way to close out the week, assuming you're long. But we'll see if the bulls can try to stabilize things out next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.